Some good questions. Thank you. I love that one
All
about
right. Well,
integration before and after sex. That's a great way to think about it, especially if you're going to be going to traveling to these unknown places that we don't know are available to us sexually, but we start traveling there. Sometimes people think when I say psychedelic sex, I mean taking psychedelics and having sex, which there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing at all. But if you also, there are techniques and methods, which I'm trying to research. Did anybody, who else besides us discovered this? What are these techniques and methods that you can actually get to these spiritually potent moments through lovemaking that are transformative? You know, there's a lot of research being done in psychedelic studies now about, do the psychedelic experiences develop a person in their, help speed them in their evolution? Most of us would anecdotally say yes, but you know, they want to get some scientific research under it. And I'm like, okay, there's some technologies here also for expanding ourselves spiritually and personally through lovemaking that aren't, maybe they're out there, and I'm sure they're out there and I haven't found them yet, but I want to find them and get this information out to whoever wants it.